Welcome to One Pizza Too Many cooking and unboxing videos.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel One Pizza Too Many cooking and unboxing videos, and today I'm bringing you a versus video. Boom! Yeah, of the Aldi La Hacienda or Garden Line Mini Kamado that's been out this year versus the Grill Chef from Landmann, which was sold by Lidl, and this was the previous year. This year's Lidl Kamado has been the Grillmeister, same size, so I thought let's do a comparison video. Now you'll see in the background I've got a La Hacienda Morrison's Kamado, so this was for sale 2 years ago. This is the Midi Kamado, so it's slightly bigger, and I already have a comparison video of that to the Lidl Kamado. Check the link above me here and make sure you go and check it out after this video. So we're not going to be including this one in today's video. So before we get into it, make sure you are subscribing to the channel and you're hitting that bell for notifications of when I release a new video. Make sure you are smashing that thumbs up for me and leave me a comment about today's video. Have you got either of these or any of these Kamados? My big Kamado is just hiding behind the camera today. Let me know your thoughts on this Aldi Kamado. Let me know your thoughts on the Lidl Kamado if you've got either one of those. Now the first thing we're going to look at is price point. So originally when I bought this Lidl Kamado, this was $79.99. Cracking price for a great little Kamado. Make sure you check out the unboxing video of this Kamado just above me in the link. And at the time I thought, yeah, cracking price, that really good. Then it comes to this year and Lidl upped their price by £20 to £100. Is it still worth it? Yeah, I think it pretty much was. But then Aldi have come along and they've smashed Lidl out of the water with price this year, and I think looks as well. This Kamado was $79.99, so the original price of Lidl's last year. Then I mentioned looks. I mean, if you look at the two together, this has got the classic dimpled, the Lidl one has got the classic dimpled sort of look, whereas the Garden Line La Hacienda has got the nice smooth finish that we get to know. And overall I prefer this smooth finish. I think it looks really nice. It's easier to clean as well, more importantly. The dust tends to settle in all the little bumps in the Lidl one. Then let's move on to daisy wheel. This is the top part, okay? So I can pull them off like so, and straight away you notice a difference. Okay, the Lidl daisy wheel is a lot more heavy duty than the La Hacienda Aldi daisy wheel. However, that being said, the La Hacienda one has a nice little touch. It has a nice little handle to control, whereas the Lidl one is just a raised sort of casting. So overall they do the same job. The Aldi one has got an extra daisy vent cut into it compared to the Lidl one. But yeah, overall the Lidl one is, I would say, better built. And they just push back on. And now if you're thinking that looks very clean for the Aldi one, it is, because I've just unboxed this. I borrowed it off a colleague, Carl. Thanks Carl. Make sure you head over to the unboxing video of this Kamado, where I run through how to put it together, sizes, etc. So talking of the next point, handle. The Lidl Kamado has a bamboo handle, so does the Aldi one. The difference being is the Aldi one has laser etched Garden Line in it, which I think adds a nice touch, and it's also got a slight chamfer on the edges, which again is a nice touch, and it's overall a bigger handle. So I think the handle on the Aldi one definitely wins for me. The only difference is the Lidl one has 4 nuts holding it on, whereas the Aldi one has 2. Then we go on to temperature gauge. Again, pretty much the same. can't really say much about the temperature gauge apart from the Grill Chef has Grill Chef logo and a flame on it, whereas the Aldi one just has a nice, easy to read sort of scale. So temperature wise, the Lidl Kamado temperature gauge goes around to 400 degrees, whereas the Aldi one goes around to 450 degrees. Now make sure you do check these temperature gauges, take them out, they're only a bolt on the inside, take them out, put them into boiling water, do they read 100 degrees? If they don't, you can then adjust your cooking accordingly, because you'll then know the difference. Some of these you can adjust on the inside, there's a little screw, but make sure you do check the temperature is right, that it's reading in boiling water, so you know that your cooking's going to be good. Okay, next let's look at some sizes. So on the camera here, it looks like the Aldi one is bigger, however it is raised slightly on here. I think overall it is a little bit bigger, so I'm going to do some measurements. So from the table up to the base, let's see how high they sit. The Aldi one is 13.5 centimetres and the Lidl one is 11 centimetres, so the Lidl one sits a little bit lower. Then the actual size of the Kamado, not including the stand, to the top of the daisy wheel, 44 centimetres, and for the Lidl one is 44 centimetres. So the difference in height of the stands and this table makes the Aldi one look you know, bigger, when actually it is the same size as the Lidl as in height. So let's open it up and let's take a measurement across. So we've got 31.5 centimetres in diameter across. And we've got 31.5 centimetres diameter across, and the grill 27 centimetres, and 26 centimetres, so you actually get slightly less cooking space on the Aldi Kamado. So let's just measure the, so it's 2.5 centimetres thick, the ceramic, and only 2 centimetres thick on the Lidl. So the actual build of this Kamado is thicker. That should give you an overall better heat retention. So for that reason, at the minute, I would say that's a big step up for the Aldi Mini Kamado over the Lidl Mini Kamado. Both have nice sliding vents at the front. This one just seems a little bit more crude than the Lidl one. It's not got the nice sort of rubberized handle on the Aldi one like the Lidl one has. So I definitely think my grill riser setup that I've got in this one will work in this one, no problem at all. So make sure you check out that video on how to make your own grill riser and pizza steel for the Aldi Kamado. Okay, then last thing to mention really is the cooking surface. Okay, in the Aldi one and this year's Lidl one, it's a stainless steel grill, whereas on this one it's an enamelled grill. I do kind of like the enamelled grill, however the temperatures that these things get up to, you are better off with the stainless steel grill really, and it's dead easy to clean as well. So I would say it's pretty even on the grill front, because I do personally like the enamelled sort of finish on the grill on the Lidl one. It is easy to clean, a little bit non-stick, but overall for daily use the stainless steel one will win hands down. Right guys, so there we have it. Quick little run through about the main differences between the Lidl Mini Kamado and the Aldi Mini Kamado. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Make sure you are subscribing to the channel. If you found today's content useful, give me a thumbs up, and make sure you check out my other Kamado videos, cooking videos on barbecuing, and the new Skillcraft pizza oven, and obviously the Skillcraft factory tour. If you're interested into anything pizza based, barbecue based, you are going to love that Skillcraft tour, where I give you a walk around and show you how Skillcraft produce their pizza ovens. Anyway, until next time guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all very soon.
One pizza too many.